Here's how you share a Zoho Writer document with someone outside Zoho securely with an OTP. Open your document and click Share on the top bar. Type in your colleague's email, set the permission to edit, and hit Share. Since this isn't a Zoho account, Writer will automatically send them an OTP to verify before they can access the file. Now on the recipient side, they'll get an email with the link. When they open it, they'll be asked to verify their email. Click Send OTP, grab the code from the inbox, enter it, and hit View File. The document opens, and they can start editing right away. To take back access, go back to the Share panel, click the drop-down. You can switch roles, set an expiry, or remove access completely. Click Remove, confirm it, and sharing stops instantly. That's secure document sharing made simple in Zoho Writer.